Hello. Today in the Coach's Corner, we are talking about the estrobolome and breast cancer, how gut health shapes your hormones. I am Coach Mona, the new integrative health coach at TNT. A little bit about me. I'm coming from the science background. I have a master in biomedical science and another one in cancer studies. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner and I had years of working as immuno-oncology scientist in biopharma, being in the lab, doing the research. And my approach is really working on the scientific research and bio-individual nutrition care. So I want to make sure that we always address the root cause and work with nutrition lifestyle changes. So, did you know your gut actually talks to your hormones? Inside your gut, there are trillions of bacteria, and some of them can recycle estrogen. This group of bacteria is called the estrobolome. The way these bacteria handle estrogen can affect how much it stays in your body, and that matters for breast health. Today, I'm going to explain what the estrobolome is, why it matters, and most importantly, simple things you can do every day to support your gut and your hormones. So let's break it down. Your liver is constantly packaging up estrogen that your body is done with and it sends it to your gut so you can get rid of it. But some gut bacteria have a special enzyme, kind of like a little pair of scissors that can open that package back up. This process is called reactivation and it lets estrogen go back into your bloodstream. A little recycling is normal and helpful, but if it happens too much, you may have more estrogen than your body needs. If it happens too little, you might not recycle enough. So, like most things in the body, it's about the balance. We know that higher lifetime exposure to estrogen increases the risk of estrogen positive breast cancers. Some studies show that women with breast cancer often have different gut bacteria compared to women without it. This doesn't prove that gut bacteria cause breast cancer, but it tells us there's a connection worth paying attention to. Gut health is just one piece of the puzzle. Other big players are body weight, blood sugar, inflammation, stress, and family history. What's exciting is that gut health is something we can support every day with food and lifestyle choices. One of the best tools we have is fiber. Fiber works like a broom. It combines with the estrogen in your gut and helps carry it out of your body when you go to the bathroom. Fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which keeps things balanced. Most people need about 25 to 30 grams a day. This could look like, adding flax, chia seed to your diet, and maybe a cup of broccoli with your dinner, and adding green peas. If you're not eating much fiber right now, add it slowly and drink plenty of water to avoid bloating. Even one extra serving a day can make a real difference. So let's talk about vegetables, cruciferous vegetables. Things like broccoli, Brussels sprout, kale, and cabbage. These veggies are special because they help your liver package up estrogen safely so you can get rid of it. They also shift estrogen into safer forms that are less likely to fuel hormone sensitive cells. I recommend 1 to 2 cups a day, and it helps to mix raw and cooked. For example, you can do um, raw broccoli salad at lunch and maybe roasted Brussels sprout at dinner. These veggies are powerful when eaten as food. And the last thing I want to touch on is fermented foods. These are like planting flowers in your gut garden. They add healthy bacteria and help create more variety in your microbiome, which we know is a marker of resilience. A large human study even showed that fermented foods can reduce inflammation in the body. Simple options are like yogurt, if you can tolerate dairy, kefir, there's water-based as well, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, if you're okay with soy. Start small, maybe a few spoonful of sauerkraut with dinner or half a cup of yogurt with breakfast. If you're currently in treatment or have weak immune system, definitely check with your provider about that if you're using any raw fermented foods. And food is powerful, but lifestyle habits matter too. So move your body, even walking or stretching helps your digestion. Um, Also, it means that estrogen is cleared out more efficiently, and staying hydrated is key for the same reason. Antibiotics are sometimes necessary, but overusing them can wipe out the good bacteria. And it's best to use them when it is really necessary. And, maintain a healthy weight is also important. Small changes, like just losing 5 to 10% of the body weight, can help with, lower hormone load as well. Think about adding small daily wins, like a walk after dinner, drinking more water, managing your stress, if it is by meditation or anything else, to support your gut and hormones. So here's what I want to really for you to remember. A healthy gut supports healthy hormone balance. The daily recommendation is fiber, cruciferous vegetables, fermented foods, add movement, hydration, stress care, and all of that. And you are giving your body a solid foundation. Everyone's body and the medical history are different. So we encourage you to start small and go from there. Okay, I hope you'll have a good day. Bye.